The right way to work with your dental hygienist. Hi, I'm Dr. Avi. This video is for you, the dentist who was never taught how to work with your hygienist. What is a dental hygienist? A dental hygienist is your frontline gum specialist. Your periodontists are your doctors who specialize in identifying, diagnosing, and treating gum disease, but the hygienist is your frontline specialist. Your hygienist has so much education and so much knowledge about gums, and we need to start respecting that. The hygienist is the one that's spending the most amount of time with your patients. They usually spend about an hour to an hour and a half with them, depending on the appointments. And during this time, they are constantly evaluating and educating the patient on their gum health. Us dentists are only popping in for a couple minutes, so you don't really see all that, but I'm telling you, this is what they do, and they are really good at it. Personally, I know I'm not the only one, but hygienists do way more than the dentists do when it comes to gum health and education with patients. This is what they do. For that reason, I kind of always find it funny how the diagnosis of gum disease has to come from the dentist. I don't know, I just feel like hygienists know and they've seen it and they should be allowed to diagnose it. I can't change any laws, that's just how they are. But yeah, I am a believer in that the hygienist is more than qualified to diagnose perio. But we can't go changing laws. So supporting your hygienist. Some of you might already be doing it and others not so much. But I can't tell you this enough, guys. It is crucial that you sync up and support your hygienist. You both need to be aligned with how you view and treat perio. When you take the time to sync up and have conversations about perio with your hygienist, this is going to be a better experience for everybody, starting with the patient. It's also super beneficial for the hygienist to have these conversations with you because it gives them an opportunity to voice their opinion and show their expertise in the field. Again, they know a lot about this stuff. You gotta start listening. Don't just have one conversation and think everything is all set. A good protocol to use is to set up check-ins with your hygienist, whether it be 15 minutes before or after work or during lunch periods, once a month, once every other week. That's gonna help you both get on the same page. And it creates a good environment for healthy discussions on how to improve the quality of care that your patients are receiving. So not only is it important to sync up with the hygienist so that way the perio department in your office improves, it's also super important to sync up with them because they're the ones that support you. The hygienist plays a crucial role in case acceptance in a dental office. Yes, I'm talking about those cases that you diagnosed. You want more patients to start saying yes to treatment? Start by supporting your hygienist and watch what happens. Think about all the times that you did an exam and you diagnosed something. Let's call it a filling or maybe even 5 crowns. Patient has a couple questions, you answer them, and then you just say, okay, doc, I'm good to go. Well, when you leave the room, who do you think that patient turns to with even more questions? The hygienist. And the hygienist can either support you and hit home how important it is for the patient to get this treatment, or they can just brush it off like it's really not a big deal and carry on with the cleaning. I know, you don't want to hear it, but one of those two things can happen. And if you support your hygienist, they are more than likely to be supporting you as well. Also, if the hygienist knows that you have their back, they are going to be more than willing to have your back too. I have had countless hygienists tell me that they appreciate my support in their diagnosis. For me, it's second nature. But to some of you guys, you may not realize how important your support really means to the hygienist. So when you go back to work, show your hygienist some support and some love. And set up that time where you both can meet and talk about these things that are super important to talk about. The faster that you create the alignment on how you treat perio, the better off everybody's gonna be. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drill that like and subscribe button and share it with anybody that you think it may benefit. Also, take a screenshot of this, post it on your story, and put the link and tag me at dr.avi. I will repost it, I promise. I appreciate any and all support. Thanks again, have a great day.